Fishman Corporation presents the Smart Dispenser Benchtop Fiber Optic Assembly Station to automate your LC, MT, or SC fiber optic connector assembly process. This innovative automation platform combines Fishman's patented Smart Dispenser air-free technology along with the patented connector mount and the precision of a Janome benchtop robot. How does it work? The Smart Dispenser firmware allows the operator to numerically set the fluid dispense program. Once set, it is exactly duplicated on every Smart Dispenser in an assembly line. The patented air-free linear drive system uses algorithms to determine how far forward it must move into the syringe cylinder to positively displace the requested fluid amount. Reverse motion assures the proper amount of fluid is filled to the proper height inside the connector each time. The linear drive system repeats the forward and reverse motion with exact precision every single dispense. The connector mount allows for precision placement of connectors. The 4 precision machine tops align the connectors for proper dispense tip insertion. The Smart Dispenser air-free technology, the patented connector mount, and the precision placement of the Janome robot now combine to allow automated filling of LC, MT, and SC ferrules with 0 defects. Connector mounts can be preloaded while production is running. Once the run is complete, the connector mount simply lifts off the robot platform and a preloaded connector mount is inserted for rapid changeover. Smart Dispenser Fiber Optic Assembly Station performs exactly the same from station to station in a single facility, as well as manufacturing facility to manufacturing facility. An enterprise-wide solution for your fiber optic assembly.